guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up and trying on everything in my October BOXYCHARM box. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I'm sure by now most of you are very familiar with BOXYCHARM. It is a monthly subscription box. It retails for $21 a month, and it comes with 5 full-size products. The retail value is usually over $100. I don't know if I've ever gotten a box that was less than $100. So that is cool. We're gonna open this up, try on everything that is in here. I will link BOXYCHARM down below in case you guys are interested in signing up yourself. Before I start, I just wanted to give a really quick heads up in case you missed my favorites video that I am doing a pre-sale on With Love Sarah of 4 different necklaces. Most of them come in silver and gold, including this one. This is the Starburst Medallion necklace. This one is only available in gold, but this is such a good piece. And then I'm also wearing the ring. This is the chain ring. So I'm doing a pre-sale. These items are only available through Sunday, this Sunday. After that, they're gone. I am only doing pre-sale for this launch. So if you are interested in any of that, I will link it down below for you guys. But I figured I would give you a heads up in another video in case you didn't see my favorites video where I talk about it in more detail. And if you want to see that video, I will link it up here for you guys. I'm going to go through every single piece. So that's that. Let's get into my BOXYCHARM. All right, so this is the box, and this is the first product we're going to use, and it is from Touch in Soul. Is it just me, or have I gotten something from Touch in Soul like every month for the past 3 months? First, I got their No Problem Primer, and then I got their No Problem Prime Essence, and now this is the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. So we will see. The packaging is cute. Okay, this is really thick. It has a like very mild scent, nothing offensive, but it feels like a really deep hydrating balm. It doesn't necessarily feel like a primer. I'm just gonna let that soak in for a minute and see. My skin is really tacky right now. I'm just going to let this sink in for another minute, but I did want to read on here. Usually it says, I don't know, like a theme or something, but this one doesn't have anything. It's just talking about the new, bigger BOXYCHARM options. So on here it says, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts all day, and this retails for $32. The next product is from Dose of Colors. This is the Baked Browns, which I'm really excited about. So on here it says 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks, and this retails for $32. Is that the same? Yeah, the same price as the other one. What the heck? Okay, this is like full of powder. I'm slightly worried to open this. Yeah, so one of the shades is shattered. I don't even know if I can like tip this over to show you guys. But this shade, obviously. Okay. Well, that's the shade I would normally set my lid with. I think I'm still going to try to, and then maybe I'll just swatch off the top layer of dust on these other shadows. That is such a bummer that it is. I feel like this would be such a good travel palette, but obviously not with the lightest shade shattered. Maybe that was a mistake because it picked up so much powder, but we're gonna try and roll with it. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to swatch the top layer off of these so that they don't have all that powder on them. First, I'm going to go in with this second shade it's so hard to show you guys and not get it everywhere. These shadows are very, very soft, which is probably why that one shattered. But just dipping my brush in, there's a ton of fallout. Out of all of the palettes that have come in my BOXYCHARM, I think that this one is my favorite one, and now I'm so sad that it is shattered because I can see this being one that I would travel with. The colors are really nice and they're very, very pigmented, but they blend really nicely. So I'm doing a super simple look. I just threw this deep brown under my lower lash line and smudged it out. I think that it is gorgeous. All of these colors are like the perfect colors for just an everyday look, and you can just throw one of them in your crease and just do nothing else. So I am super sad that this shade is shattered, but this palette is really, really good. I finished up my eye makeup and now we're gonna move on to lips. I got 2 lip products in this month's box. The first one is from Jonte Blu. This is the lip liner pencil in Hot Red, number 947. I'm sure if you are not new here, you know that I do not wear a red lip ever. So this is the shade. This is just something that I will probably never wear, and since I did also get another lip product, I'm just gonna put this one on, but let me just read this to you really quickly. So it says, master any desired lip color and produce long wearing staying power with Jonte Blu Lip Liner Pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for a flawless lip contouring, or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. And this retails for $5. This is what I'm going to use, and this is from Iconic London. It's the Lip Plumping Gloss. It says, iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to produce natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. And this retails for $26. It is so rare that BOXYCHARM sends a color that's, I don't know, cute. This is what it looks like. It is a pigmented gloss, and it doesn't have any like glitter flakes or anything like that in it. The doe foot is actually like pretty flexible, and it does have a bit of a step, kind of like the Wet n Wild cat suit. I'll show you in a second. This smells like maybe a little bit minty, but this is the doe foot. So you can see the little step right on this side, and that part kind of just hugs your lip. So this color is really pretty. It's a nude lip gloss. I have quite a few of these, but I do like it. The formula feels really, really smooth, and it's definitely not sticky, which is nice, so I think I will definitely get my use out of this. The last item, so many of these products have powder from the eyeshadow on them, but the last item is from Paula's Choice. It is the Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. And on here it says, this gentle, non-abrasive leave-on exfoliant removes dead skin cells both on the surface and inside the pores to reveal smooth, glowing skin, and it retails for $29.50. So I will try this one out. I will give you guys an update, but obviously I don't have an opinion yet. Adding everything up, this retails for $124.50. Again, this box is at $21 a month, which I will link it down below in case you're interested in it, but that's a pretty good value. I'm just gonna run through all of the products really quickly. Again, I haven't used the Paula's Choice, so I have no opinion on it. The Jonte Blu Lip Liner, I've gotten this brand before. It's not my favorite. It's a little bit hard to, it's like a little rough on your lips trying to tug at it, but the color is not something I'll wear, so this is kind of a dud for me. The Dose of Colors Baked Brown Eyeshadow. This is definitely my favorite eyeshadow palette that I've gotten in a BOXYCHARM, but it's shattered. So that is a total bummer. The lip gloss is a win for me. I think it's really pretty and it seems to be nice and shiny without feeling gritty or sticky. And then the Touch in Soul, what was this? The Glassy Skin Balm. This was definitely interesting. I think that maybe, at least in the summer when I'm like extra oily, I wouldn't necessarily need a moisturizer because this is moisturizing too. But I think my makeup looks really good on top of it. I think I'll continue to use it, but I think that maybe I would use, if I'm going to use a moisturizer, I'll use my Origins. This is the Original Skin Matte Moisturizer. So this one kind of would combat being double moisturized, if that makes sense. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I got in this month's BOXYCHARM box. Let me know down below what you got in your box. Did you get the same things? Did you get different things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.